Hey everyone, welcome to another video, and this is Tech Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Revolut to buy crypto. This is super simple. So there's actually two different ways you can buy crypto from Revolut. One is right from the Revolut app on your phone, but I do not recommend that for the beginners. I mean, I wouldn't do it at least because in the Revolut app the fees are high, but since I discovered this exchange Revolut X, this is called Revolut X, then it becomes easier and simple. So for example, this is super simple. On your browser or even on your phone, you can simply go to exchange.revolut.com, and then for the first time you'll have to log in with your Revolut account. Once you are logged in with your Revolut account, then you can connect this exchange where it's only for buying crypto trading, and what it does is like it connects your Revolut. It's basically use your Revolut profile to open a exchange accounts, and it's super simple to buy crypto. You can I was actually looking for something like this, and suddenly I found it, and it makes it so simple. So here's the home. You can see 1 week, 1 month. So this is your total portfolio, and at the bottom you can see USD and all the cryptos that you have. And on the right side, top gainer, top loser, popular crypto, and the watch list. These are the crypto that I put in my watch list. And so how do you buy? It's super simple. You can first deposit US dollar in your US dollar account. So it's simple. You just click on deposit. You can also deposit your crypto, but deposit cash, and then if you have balance in your Revolut account, you enter the amount and you just select the balance, and it's super simple. Super simple to buy this. And also, if you want to withdraw, you just select it, and then instantly it will be on your Revolut account. So how do you buy any crypto? For example, let's say Bitcoin, and then you just click on trade. You enter how much money you want to invest in crypto. For example, $10. It will take from the available balance if you click on buy crypto. Or if you don't have any USD, it will show directly your Revolut balance, and you can buy directly from Revolut. So this is how it basically works. If you haven't tried it, I would say give it a try, and you'll see. And of course, they say don't invest unless you're prepared to lose all the money to invest. So I hope this video helps. Let me know in the comment what you think, if you tried Revolut X or if you did any other platform. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Let me know what you think in the comment.